Jamaat Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Sirat-e-Mustafa, consisting of 873 pages, states on page 579 to 580, with reference of Ash-Shama'ilul Muhammadiyah, the holy abdomen and chest, the holy belly and chest was smooth and level. Neither the holy chest was raised over the holy belly, nor the belly was raised over the holy chest. His holy chest was reasonably wide. There was a thin line of the blessed hair which started from the upper side of the holy chest till the blessed navel. The blessed chest and the belly were hairless. However, there was some hair on the blessed shoulders and wrists.
उस शिकम की क़नाअत पे लाखों सलाम।